Paint an Amazing Acrylic Portrait class is now open for enrollment. The class showing the step-by-step process of the painting of my beautiful wife Leah is finished with the sign painting, and I just want to let you know you can enroll today at $50 off. So I have just a special offer here for the next several days. That ends at the end of the month here. As I record this, that would be July 31st, 2024. But I want to let you know you can enroll in the class. This is a step-by-step class showing the entire process of painting this portrait. You could follow along in this painting or also use it for your own painting. And we're going to look at step-by-step exactly how to paint an acrylic portrait you can be proud of. All the detail, the nuances, the values, the skin tones. I'm going to cover that in the class. It's very, very easy to follow. We have about 7 hours of video broken up into like 10, 15-minute segments where you can go ahead and find exactly what you need. Printable, downloadable guides in the class, supplies and materials, reference photo, it's all there for you. You can get a hold of me within the class. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below the video. So it'd be a fantastic way to learn. Maybe tap a friend and have them paint along with you. But again, this class is open for enrollment at $50 off, a special pricing just for the next 4 to 5 days here. So I want to let you know you can join the class. I have the link in the description of the video and the top comment for you, so check that out. Join today, learn how to paint an amazing acrylic portrait you can be proud of, and I'll see you in the class. God bless.